Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Welcome back if you've been here before and welcome if it's your first time. It's me, Manders, and as you can tell, I've already put my makeup on. I did that because I have already pre-filmed this and I'm just giving you the intro. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, hang around. First, I'm going to prime my eyes using my Rimmel Matte Concealer. They're rolling. All right, so there we go. So we're going to go into the fun Zodiac palette now. And I'm just going to take this shade under Scorpio right here. It's just a nice matte white shade. I'm going to just take a fluffy brush. I'm going to set my eyeshadow. Or no, I'm going to set the concealer before I put my eyeshadow on. So just dust it on. This is 100% a first impressions of this palette. And actually, now that I think about it, I have never tried anything from BH Cosmetics. So just as a transition shade, I'm going to go into Pisces, the matte shade. It's just a nice warm brown. And I'm going to pop that into the crease. Go in with this shade over here, this kind of taupe shade in Libra. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it over that initial shade. And I'm just going to blend the two shades together, just sort of to change it and make it a little bit less orange. These are really nice shadows. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see how they wear throughout the day. All right, so now I am going to dip into Sagittarius, this deep dark brown matte shade. I'm just going to take it on the lower lash line, or the outer corner along the lash line. I'm going to stay below the crease and just smudge that in as best I can. Very nice. So now, using that same brush that I used for the white shade, I'm just going to take it and I'm going to buff around the edges just so that there is no harsh lines at all. I do want to kind of keep it a little bit more neutral, but I want to add a little bit of color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Taurus, this baked shade right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer edge with my finger. These, oh, the pigment on these baked eyeshadows is a little bit ridiculous. Like, look. They're kind of like glitter shadows, but baked. Interesting. Same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to just take the same clean brush and sort of clean up those lines there. And now, for the inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Libra. It's really pretty, and I'm just going to tap that on the lid. Just like that. I love glitter eyeshadows. I see people that like rock the matte eyeshadows, and I'm like, I wish. My eyes just, I don't feel complete if I don't add a little bit of glitter. So I will be right back with all my makeup on. Thanks. All right, and I'm back. So I'm back. I have put all my face makeup on, everything except mascara. I'm going to do that on camera with you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me while I film this video. It is first thing in the morning, and sometimes I know it's not the most desirable time to film a video, but I really want to do a true wear test. I love this stuff. Oh, it's really wet right now. It was a yucky day. It's a yucky day out there, and I just thought this would be the perfect time to put some makeup on with you guys and hang out. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. This is my final look. Let me know in the comments below, have you tried the Zodiac palette? Do you like it? Is it something that you have tried before? And let me know. And this is the final look, and I will see you guys in my next check-in. All right, bye.